In this Canva tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to bold one word. Now, this is easier in Canva's new glow up, which they're making everyone have here in like the next week. So if you have that already, what you need to do is go tap on the actual text, and then you can tap on it again to be able to edit the text. And so inside of here, I'm going to click on the word bold, and then you'll see that I have some options that pop up to select it. If you don't have those, you might just need to tap again to start selecting different parts of your word, or double tap. However you can, just get a selection here of the word that you want to bold. Now here on an iPhone, you can pull these handles in and out to select different words, but I have bold selected. And so now what I would do is come down here to the bottom where you see these options at the top of your keyboard. You can scroll through them a little bit, but you'll see that bold, italics, all that is down here. All we have to do is click on the bold, and it will bold that one word that we have selected. So as long as you have a word selected, when you hit bold here at the top of your keyboard, it will bold that one word. Now this is the new layout of Canva allows you to do this. In the old layout, what you would have to do is come up here to that word, tap it again until you get this menu that pops up. And if you go over, there's a format option. So we just click that arrow and then we'll see format. We tap on format and we can see bold right here. So I could bold or unbold right there. And so that's kind of the old way to do it. The new way to do it is pretty easy with the bold right down here. That's how you can bold one word here in Canva on mobile.